Ladies and gentlemen, join us on a captivating journey into the fundamental practice of access audits and fostering of inclusive environments. EduServe proudly presents to you an immersive and comprehensive online course that unlocks the intricate workings of access audit inspections and report writing, a transformative practice that facilitates the rejuvenation of existing facilities and spaces to ensure that they are accessible, inclusive, and welcoming for everyone. EduServe are the leading online education provider for built environment professionals. We're excited to introduce you to our brand and the exceptional value we bring to your professional development. At EduServe, we pride ourselves on our industry-leading expertise. Our courses are meticulously crafted by top professionals in the field, ensuring you receive the most up-to-date and relevant knowledge. This means you're learning from the best, staying ahead of industry trends, and gaining insights that are directly applicable to your work. We understand the importance of flexibility in today's fast-paced world. That's why we offer a range of online courses, allowing you to learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, we make it easy to fit learning into your busy schedule. Our comprehensive curriculum is another hallmark of EduServe. Our extensive library of courses covers everything from foundational principles to advanced technical learning. No matter where you are in your career, we have the resources to help you grow and succeed. We are dedicated to your professional development and standing. Enhance your career prospects with our approved programs that provide recognized qualifications. These certifications are designed to bolster your resume, increase your marketability, and help you achieve your career goals. Now, let's take a closer look at the course outline for our Access Auditor Certification Scheme. This 2-day comprehensive program is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to effectively identify and report on accessibility matters. On day 1 of our course, we'll start with an introduction to access audits, exploring their purpose and significance in creating accessible environments. You'll learn the basics of access and inclusive design to build a solid foundation. Next, we'll discuss disabilities and other protected characteristics and how they impact accessibility requirements. We'll cover key legislation, including disability law, and examine directives related to disability rights and accessibility. You'll also learn strategies to mitigate discrimination through reasonable adjustments. We'll review relevant codes of practice and provide essential resources to help you excel as an access professional. On day 2, we'll focus on the practical aspects of conducting access audits. This includes inspecting approaches, car parks, access routes, entrances, receptions, counters, hallways, corridors, ramps, stairs, and lifts. We'll also cover standards for sanitary accommodations, the use of colour and contrast, and how to optimise fixtures, furnishings, and fittings for accessibility. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of lighting and the use of hearing enhancements and auxiliary aids. By the end of this 2-day programme, you'll be well prepared to conduct access audits and contribute to creating inclusive environments. On completion of the course, you will have achieved several key learning outcomes. First, you will understand key legislation. You'll gain a thorough understanding of the essential legislation governing accessibility, including the Equality Act 2010 and other relevant laws and regulations. Next, you'll grasp the disability agenda. This includes learning about the pan-disability approach, understanding the principles of universal design, and recognizing the importance of inclusivity within the built environment and the duties owed by service providers. You'll also develop the skills to conduct comprehensive access audits. This involves effectively planning and executing detailed inspections of buildings and sites, identifying barriers, and recommending appropriate improvements. Finally, you'll learn to implement best practices. By applying industry best practices in accessibility, you will ensure that environments are welcoming and usable for individuals with disabilities and other protected characteristics. This course is designed for a wide range of professionals committed to creating accessible environments. Whether you're an access auditor or consultant, an access officer, or part of an access group, this course will enhance your skills and knowledge. Architects and designers, building surveyors, and facilities managers will find this course particularly beneficial for integrating accessibility into their projects. Building control. Officers and commercial developers will gain valuable insights into compliance and best practices. Equality and diversity officers, health and safety officers, and representatives from local authorities and other service providers will learn how to better advocate for inclusive design and implement effective accessibility strategies. Project professionals and other stakeholders involved in creating and maintaining built environments will also find this course invaluable for ensuring accessibility and inclusivity in their work. No matter your role, if you're involved in making spaces accessible and inclusive, this course is for you. Upon completing our course, you'll receive the Cert.AA EduServe certification, demonstrating your competence as a qualified access auditor. You'll also receive our comprehensive course completion pack, which includes an access audit report template and inspection checklists, as well as other guidance documents and essential tools for your professional practice. Additionally, you'll benefit from ongoing EduServe tutor support, ensuring you have the guidance and resources needed as you apply your new skills in the field. Thank you for exploring our Access Audit online course. Are you ready to enhance your skills and make a real impact on accessibility and inclusivity? Enroll now to gain comprehensive knowledge, practical tools, and expert support. Join a community of professionals dedicated to creating accessible environments for everyone. Don't miss this opportunity to advance your career and contribute to meaningful change. Register today and start your journey towards becoming a certified access professional. We look forward to welcoming you to the course.